Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to auto-park your Tesla Model X. First, ensure your car's ultrasonic sensors are clean for optimal performance. Drive slowly, under 10 miles per hour, past potential parking spaces. Your Tesla will automatically detect a suitable spot, whether it's parallel or perpendicular, and display a P icon on your touchscreen. This indicates the system is ready to assist you with parking. For parallel parking, drive forward slowly, about 1 car length past the empty space. When the P icon appears, indicating a detected spot, stop your vehicle. Shift into reverse, then tap Start on the touchscreen to confirm the parking maneuver. Your Model X will begin to steer itself into the spot. Remember to keep your foot near the brake pedal and monitor your surroundings closely throughout the process. To use Auto Park for perpendicular parking, drive slowly and parallel to the row of parking spaces. Once your Tesla detects an available spot, the P icon will appear on your touchscreen. Stop your vehicle, shift into reverse, and then tap Start on the screen. The car will then begin to maneuver itself into the perpendicular space. Always remain vigilant and be prepared to intervene if necessary. While Auto Park is incredibly convenient, always remain attentive and ready to take over manually by pressing the brake or turning the steering wheel. The system performs optimally in clear conditions and well-marked parking areas. If you encounter any obstacles or feel uncomfortable, simply intervene. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Happy parking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.